Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'in wa ala umuri dunya waddin. Amma ba'du. First of all, praise be to Allah given health and opportunities for us, and salawat and salam we giving to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam by reciting Allahumma shalli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad. And before that, I wanted to thanks to Sir Nuardi as a lecturer and supervisor in this proposal. My title of proposal is Improving Student Listening Skill Using Audiovisual Media at Junior High School IT Permata Selat Panjang. Let me introduce. My name is Jola Sari from class 5A, Education Department. First one is background of the problem. Listening. Listening skill is one important among four major skills that students need to master in learning English listening. And the listening as the receptive skill, which means that students receive information what they hear or listening, and by doing that student will probably convey their feeling in talks. And according Rose 1994 has mentioned the importance of listening in language classroom on his book. Listening is pivotal for learning in the classroom. Science is required them in the input the information, and so with the input and understanding there is not possibility to communicate. And next is using audiovisual. Audiovisual is expert to attract learners, generating passion of learning to study the material presented through the multimedia, is the text, image, audio, or video. Material presented with various colors and image very interesting, and so on. And based on National Standard Council or BSNP for the 2030 curriculum, listening is one of the most important skills besides reading, speaking, writing. Listening skills are foundation of good speaking skill to success master listening. And one of the most important component that must be mastered by the student is the practice listening. Next is the limitation of the problem. Limitation of the problem. After identifying the problems, writer state above is clear. Thus, the writer need to focus on how can the audiovisual media and whether the advantage of the audiovisual media can improve listening skills student at the second year of junior high school IT Permata Selat Panjang. And the next is formulation of the problem. Based on the problem, the pasted in the background of the problem, the writer will identify as follows. One is how can the audiovisual media can improve listening skills student in the second years of junior high school IT Permata Selat Panjang. And the second one is whether the advantage of the audiovisual can improve listening skills student at the second years of junior high school IT Permata Selat Panjang. And next is objective and significance of the research. Objective of the research is to discover student English listening ability to the speaking listening skill at the second year student of the junior high school. Reason for choosing the title. There are some reasons why the writer is interested in conducting this research. The reason as follow. The writer feel interested and want to get deep knowledge with the topic. Secondly, is the title of the research is relevant to the writer's status as the student of English Education Department. And third, the title of the research is a popular research target, so that it's easier for the writer to finding the related literature and relevant research with the title of the research. And fourth is the location of the research facilitates the writer in conducting in the research. The next slide is the method of the research. Is the research using descriptive quantitative, is the Cording Creswell 2014. And for the time, the research start is the month of November 2021. And the location is SMP IT Permata Selat Panjang, located on Jalan Perumbi Melayu, Selat Panjang Timur. And the subject is second grade student of the SMP Junior High School IT Permata Selat Panjang. And the object is the student learning English strategies in the listening classroom. Okay, next slide is the population and the sample. And in the research for the population is the second grade student of the junior high school IT Permata Selat Panjang. And the population size is 170 students. And sample is random sampling, and the sample size is the 50 student. The stake in the study. Planning is the stake everything that is needed in the teaching and learning process that will be carried out include what, who, where, and how. The planning stake can be described as following: determine the research schedule, decide learning activities or lesson plan, prepare teaching material, and prepare observation sheet and student worksheet. And or test have the pre-test and post-test. And next is the action. The researcher as well as the teacher will take the following action. Students are given clue about the materials to be delivered. Students are divided into small groups and given the tasks to the contents of the lecture to be listened to the pre-listening text, or students are given the opportunity to listen to listening material through audiovisual media to time, and the student is given a worksheet about the material they will hear, or the learning tasks, and the students are divided into small groups to brainstorm one perception and the interpretation of what they have listened to through the audiovisual media or post-listening text. In the final stage of a student individually instructed to make a summary based on the result of the interpretation and brainstorming in a small group. And next is the observation. At this stage, the research observes the activeness of the student in the group discussion and also the consideration of the focus of the student during listening activities with audio visual media applied. And the last is the reflection. In the final stage of the cycle, the researcher collects student work in the form of the worksheet and the summary, then analyzes the observation checklist and the video recording data to conclude the activities that occur in the cycle 1. Then the researchers will discuss the improvement of planning based on the result of the analysis of observation, checklist, and the student achievement in cycle 1, and the activities in cycle 2, when the indicator of success have not been achieved. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for attention and sorry when I have mistake. And the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.